Hi guys, this is Nithya, and today we're going to show you how to make homemade hand sanitizer because there's a hand sanitizer shortage in all stores. So at the same time and money, we're gonna make homemade hand sanitizer. So the ingredients that you're gonna need are alcohol and aloe vera gel. You'll also need essential oil, but this includes essential oil in it, so we are not gonna use it. You could if you wanted to. So as you can notice, this is not alcohol. We do not have alcohol, and there's actually a shortage on alcohol as well, so there is no alcohol. But we have an alternative. This is fragrance mist, which contains denatured alcohol. And denatured alcohol has like 90 to 95% of alcohol, but the final product will include 70% alcohol. So my mom did the math. We are going to be using 78 milliliters of alcohol and 22 milliliters of aloe vera gel. So let's get started. So we're gonna first pour our alcohol into our cup here. Now this cup, so once it's full, it should be about 100 milliliters. You see here, it should be up till here. And now we're gonna put our aloe vera in. Because aloe vera is really hard to put in, we're gonna be using a spoon for this. So we'll just plop it in there. So now that we're done, now that we've put all of our ingredients in, so now we're gonna close this really tight so nothing escapes. And now we're gonna shake this up. Let's do it rapidly. So, I think this is perfect. So let's open. And here's the finish. So guys, this is the finished product. I think it turned out very good. It's a really good sanitizer, and the aloe vera that we added makes it super cooling and very good for your skin. And the alcohol that we included would kill bacteria, so this would clean your hands and make your hands really good. Also the essential oil would make it smell nice, and this is just a good all together. So if you want to make a hand sanitizer, I recommend you watch this video and follow along. And yeah, that's it. See you guys later. Take care of yourself. Bye.